All right, when the check engine light of our car comes on, it usually signals potential trouble ahead. Well, local researchers are looking at some small creatures to make sure there isn't a bigger problem brewing in regional waterways.
East Texans are mad for mud bugs. We eat our fair share of the 150 million pounds of crawfish harvested every year. But crayfish also play a vital role in the food chain. The tiny crustaceans eat decaying vegetation. Then they're eaten by larger predators such as largemouth bass. Right now, there are 39 species of crayfish in Louisiana, including the painted crayfish. The question on the table: should two subspecies, the teiche and the Calcasieu painted crayfish, be elevated to species status?
And these are aquatic organisms, so the preservation of species is one of the main goals here.
That brings us here to the University of Texas at Tyler, where researchers are assisting in a study that looks into the genetics of Louisiana crawfish. Dr. Matt Greenwald and junior researcher Jana Swimberga are teaming up with the Louisiana Department of Wildlife and Fisheries. They are testing genetic data to determine whether two subspecies of Louisiana's painted crayfish should be classified as their own species of crayfish.
Because now they're listed as subspecies, and if they are actually species, then we have to list them federally endangered, or what was it, imperiled.
So far, DNA sequencing suggests there may be another species that is a hybrid of the two species being studied.
It's kind of interesting. There's one species sort of toward the west, and then there's one species that's toward the east, and there's a hybrid zone in between.
Could these crawfish, like humans, have hookup spots?
It suggests that the males of this one species are probably traveling into the hybrid zone and mating with hybrids or the original species.
But there still isn't a clear-cut answer, so the work continues in the UT Tyler labs. If new species of crayfish are discovered, researchers say it makes protecting the habitat more important. Louisiana, like East Texas, is concerned about commercialization and development of natural lands. Greenwald worries what happens if natural environments of crayfish are threatened.
They're actually really good bioindicators, and that's a good thing and a bad thing. So the presence of them in aquatic waterways helps you understand the health of that body of water, but at the same time, when that body of water experiences contamination from any type of source, anthropogenic source, they're the first ones to go.
Well, research is expected to wrap up sometime in June. We hope to bring you a follow-up when we hear what the research reveals.